So back in 2001, the greatest movie series of all time for me came out, and it's called Lord of the Rings. I worked at Walmart at the time, so I got some inside scoops as to when the movies were coming out, that kind of thing. And also, I remember waiting in line to get the DVD. Then I waited in line at night, at midnight, because they would roll them out to get the extended versions. Did that. Of course, I went and got the Blu-rays when they came out. I was huge into that. But they gave all of the Walmart workers and employees these I guess you call them buttons or pins. Yes, thank you. Pins that you could wear, and it had each of the main stars. And I remember making sure I got every single one that Walmart had, and they had 11 of them is what I was able to collect. And we're talking all the big stars. So you guys want to see what those look like. They're still in perfect condition, and they're still glossy. It looks legit, like they were made yesterday. So you guys want to see that? Do y'all want to see that? All right, so the first one that I have right here, look at this. Check it out. Bilbo. So look, it's got the date. It's got him holding the ring, like he's excited for it because he's not making the scary face. Just check that out, guys. Bilbo, oh, look at that. It looks so good. Ian Holm, he passed away recently. So sad. Oh yeah, and then his good buddy. Now this one has kind of like a little chip on it. Actually, it's just kind of something sticky on it just from sitting in the box. There you go. It's on my finger. There it is. Check that out. Look how good that looks. Amazing. And let me show you. I guess I didn't show the back of the first one. That's what they all look like on the back. I could still wear those on my Walmart vest if I wanted to. Check it out. Look how good. Okay. Saruman. Yeah, that's a menacing look, right? He's like, yeah, hurry up. I got to go film Star Wars Attack of the Clone. Hurry up. Check it out, guys. Wow, that's Christopher Lee. Looking spiffy, Mr. Lee. Wow. So good. Galadriel. Still freaky in the movie. Cate Blanchett did a fantastic job in the films. Just kind of looks normal. I think she's looking at Frodo right here like, I know who you are, Frodo of the Shire, and what it is you carry. All right, let's keep moving. And speaking of Frodo, there you go. There's the Frodo. The normal look that he has in the whole movie. He's 25, no facial hair, but oh my gosh, check it out. It looks so cool. Still, like I said, in perfect condition. Like, you could put your makeup on looking in this. It's so shiny. By the way, Ian McKellen, going back to Gandalf, one of the best actors ever. Elijah Wood, also amazing. And who would Elijah be without his buddy Sam? Oh my gosh, super, super cool. And now we have Gimli here. What a fantastic job he did. He looked really short and like he would really be that person. A fantastic job in the movie. Check it out. Just so good. Oh yeah, here we go. Everyone's favorite she-elf, Arwen. I guess until they came up with Toriel for The Hobbit. But there you go. So it looks like she's coming and claim him. That's where we're at right there. Is this everybody's favorite elf in the whole movie? I mean, it's Legolas. He's like, okay, now we're gonna go shoot Pirates of the Caribbean. I gotta change wigs. But fantastic job too. Return of the King, that's all I need to say. If you never watched the movies, I'm sorry, but check it out. Mr. Aragorn himself. Last but not least, Boromir. Only movie he was in that he was actually alive in. More spoilers. Check it out. Looks cool. So there they are, guys, all in their amazing, great condition. Hope you guys think those are cool. Again, from 2001, just stuff pulling out of a box.